Gotta wear your Santa hat. You look so cute. Hey guys, it's me, Vicky. What are you doing? Welcome back. I'm joined here today by Ozzy and Charlie, who refuses to be cooperative today. Actually, I don't know what either one of them has going on with their paws right now. I guess it's just paw cleaning time. So yeah, welcome to my channel. We're feeling really festive. Well, all of us minus Charlie here, who refuses to wear a hat, but that's okay. I can't keep a serious face in this video. Today I am making gingerbread cookies for my doggies. As you guys know, if you don't, these guys are really the stars of this channel, where we make lots of DIYs for them. And today, in the spirit of the holidays, we're making them gingerbread cookies. I've never made gingerbread cookies for my doggies. This is gonna be a new experience. I found this recipe on Pinterest. I'll link the blog on which you can find it on down below in the description. All ingredients are dog friendly, of course. To make these doggy gingerbread cookies, you are going to need 3 cups of whole wheat flour, 1/4 of a cup of olive oil, 1/2 cup of molasses, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cloves, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped fresh ginger. I didn't have fresh ginger, so I used 1/2 tablespoon of ground ginger, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 1 1/4 cups of water. Making these cookies is actually pretty easy. All you're gonna do is take 2 separate bowls, and in one bowl you're gonna mix all the dry ingredients, and in another one you're gonna mix all the wet ingredients. Once you have the wet and dry ingredients mixed in each bowl, you're gonna take the dry ingredients and fold them into the wet ingredients. After that is done, the recipe calls for chilling your dough for about 3.5 hours. Surprise, surprise. I'm not gonna do that because I'm lazy and I don't wanna wait 3.5 hours, and also I just don't have the time. So I'm just gonna put it in the freezer for about half an hour. After you have chilled your dough for 3.5 hours or 30 minutes, you can sprinkle your surface with some flour and then roll it out. While you're doing that, you're gonna wanna preheat your oven to 350 degrees and then just cut it out with your cookie cutters. Ideally, you wanna use gingerbread men or any other type of festive cookie cutters you have. Just use whatever you have. And then once you have them all cut out, you are going to place them in a baking tray and bake them for 10 to 15 minutes. And that's it, voila. And there you have it, gingerbread cookies for your pupperoos. Hopefully these guys like them. I think they're ready to give it a taste test, so we'll see. You wanna try it? Here, gingerbread. So wow, here you go. Ooh, Okay, so if Ozzy likes it, I'm pretty happy about that because Charlie eats absolutely everything you put in front of him. Ozzy is the way pickier one in this household, so if Ozzy likes it, I'm pretty darn proud. And that's all that I have for today, folks. Hopefully you guys have fun making these for your pups and they enjoy them as much as mine apparently do. If you like this video, like this video. And if you have not already subscribed, I would love to have you back on here. I do tons of other DIYs, vintage things, Disney things, dog things, all the things. Wishing you guys all the happiest of holidays. As always, sending you guys a really, really big virtual hug wherever you are in the world. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye! I don't have that. So, Charlie, please look less bored for the camera.